Janome.
Hi, my name is Kelly McKenzie, and I'm the long arm specialist here at Janome. Today I'm going to show you how to use our easy ruler foot and some of our So Comfortable rulers. This one today will be the ditch ruler. In a previous video I showed you how to attach your ruler base to your machine, and that will need to be done before we get started. So let's go. In this video I'm going to show you how to use your easy ruler foot. Make sure that you already have your ruler base attached. That has been shown in another video. I just want to show you the difference between the closed toe foot and the easy ruler foot. It's very important that you always attach the easy ruler foot before doing ruler work. As you can see, this foot is much shorter in height than the easy ruler foot is. Now, I'm going to use our So Comfortable series of rulers, and I'm going to be using the ditch ruler. You're going to just use the edge and butt it up against the foot. Before you get started, make sure you have your machine in regulated mode and also in precision mode. Each time you pause as you're quilting with the ruler, make sure you hit the start-stop button so the machine will stop with the needle in the down position. I'm going to also make sure that I am putting pressure on all parts of my ruler with my fingers. And I also, as I sew, will be making sure that I am pushing my foot against the ruler itself. So I'm going to press the start button, and I will just start to move my machine. When I need to adjust, I'm going to hit the stop button so that my needle goes in the down position. And I'm going to adjust my ruler where I need it. I'm going to put my pressure points back onto my ruler with my fingers, and I'm going to start to sew. And that's how you use the rulers with the easy ruler foot.